Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am TAUQEER Abid, speaking from the floor of I-CET Academy. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. According to the event 25th December, Quaid Day, I am here with a very good speech. But before this, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Like this video and share it with your other friends. There was a time when the hope was dying, the sun was setting, the edifice of Muslim community was deteriorating, the structure was falling, the building was collapsing, the nation was roaming, and the flame of passion was putting out. Then at the pages of history, a sun rose which brought a scenario in contrast of all. It was 25th December 1876 when at a house of a leather merchant in Karachi, a baby boy was born who proved himself as the leader, the founder, the guide, the candle of final hope, and the Quaid of Muslims in subcontinent. Salute to him who fought for us, the true freedom who brought for us, who stood always, who eyed all others, the best ever best who thought for us. Quaid got his early education from his hometown. Then he departed to England and got degree of Barat Law from there. He came back to his homeland, but feeling the miserable condition of Muslims, he decided to stand in their favor. He judged that the solution of matter was just to form a separate homeland for them. This was not an easy task. No hunter releases his prey easily, but the unsurpassable insight, the rare wisdom, the matchless bravery, and the great effort of Quaid Azam told the foreign agenda that the time of cruelty was over. New sun will rise, the darkness is over. New sun will rise, the darkness is over. No shadow will remain, the suffering is lower. People felt Quaid's existence as a savior, so they joined their footsteps along with him and started the movement of Pakistan with a new zeal. From all corners of subcontinent, people came out and proved that a single can be a crowd, a single can be a crowd, a voice can be allowed, the heat can be a breeze, a moist can be a cloud. The voices from each street and each road were spreading all around, and the message to form a separate homeland for Muslims was heard with such a great note that British were forced to leave the land which had been captured by them for the last 100 years. The freedom is sure, the birds will sing. The freedom is sure, the birds will sing. Each feeling is pure, the bells will ring. The sun of victory will be seen all over. The sun of victory will be seen all over. The autumn is gone, so it will spring. God does watch the unique struggle. So it also did happen in this case. With a great effort, eventually on 14th August 1947, Pakistan appeared on the map of the world. The trembling boat of helpless Muslims got its shore. The struggle of Quaid Azam showed its beautiful color, and a ruined nation got freedom. Today the question is not how Quaid did put an effort, but the question is if we are following Quaid's message of freedom. At the end, I appeal to all of you that please devote yourself in the right direction and work for the integrity and sovereignty of Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad, Quaid Azam Paindabad.